Mr. Man, gotta go. You got friends behind me. Shove the long over here on this side. No, of course you can have the Bible. You're crashing a friend, though.
This is great. I can tell. He's like laid back, like,
yeah,
all right.
He's like, I think he can lay in the bike.
Yeah, yeah.
And this is what we do here to make work on his like requesting things. We'll stop him. Yes, you can have bike, please.
Oh, okay.
And most of the time he's pretty good about it, where he's just like, that's instant, he turns around, hi, bike, please.
Yeah.
And then other times he's like, you can tell he's just like, really? And I just have a bike.
Noah, smile. Look, me. Look at mommy.
Look at mommy.